So if you looked at the repair video, this is the Mega Tracker. I've not quite got the camera in the right place. The Mega Tracker CB1100, the British built, really unusual set. If you looked at part 2, part 1 we were looking at the customer set, which has got no receive. We overcame the no transmitted audio problem, but it got no receive. We know nothing about the set. I then did some research, got some information together. We've sorted this set out. This is my own, which I'd bought it. It's been converted to 10 meters, and we've had to convert it back, which has been successfully done. There's a couple of things to do. Low power's not working. That had been reused for repeater shift on ham, and they've taken out the public address jack at the back. We'll sort that behind the scenes, but apart from low power, everything else is as it should be. These sets, they've got more selectivity than most sets. In other words, they're better for bleed over. But the trouble there is that people who are on radios that are slightly off frequency, people who are over deviating, or people who are on illegal radios, will just sound absolutely abysmal. So the more narrow the filtering, the worse the bad breakers will sound. So hopefully the Thunderbolt T3000 in the test car will sound spot on. Tango 21, Mr Chippie. Oh, we're not on 19. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent. I'll plug in my extension speaker.
Roger that. Let me know when you're ready to go.
Roger, I'm ready to go.
Roger that. Off we go then.
Roger. And the dimmer dims the meter as well. Whoa. This radio has Vogad.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And there's no tone control on this set.
Yep, roger that.
Does it sound okay with its Vogad speech processing?
Hey, it's very loud.
Oh, Roger.
Yeah, it does sound nice. I think it's louder than I expected, but yeah, it's okay.
I've double checked the deviation as well. So it's got speech processing, which may even be one peg above the Binatone hand portables, which are fantastic.
Yep, it does sound good. Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got the end of the lane. So it's a Vogad speech processor, which is a Plessey device, so it is a UK kind of thing. Very impressive.
End of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger Dodger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
There's a right pothole before Ancaster Crossroads now, just eat it.
I better count the wheels when that car comes back.
Yeah, I will do. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Looking forward to the next bit.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on a Mega Tracker CB1100 from 1983. A British built set, and I'm using standard replacement microphone, and the radio's doing a full 4 watt amplifier.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Excellent.
Now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger.
When you get to Kelbyton, that's my squelch test, and I'll be interested to see whether this squelch does the usual where it goes in out of it when you say Roger, or whether it works perfectly.
Well, we'll find out shortly.
Darn.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. I'm just hitting another bloody pothole. They're just appearing these potholes all of a sudden.
You know we're due for a front left-hand tyre on that car. I think it's going to be a bit sooner rather than later at this rate.
Yeah, it's been both left and front that's hit.
Told you.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you loud and clear at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Mega Tracker CB1100, unusual British CB, drawing 1.4 amps and is doing 4 watt output. The low power switch has been repurposed because this was a 10 meter conversion and has yet to be converted back, so I can't go on to low power with that problem. So other than that, off you go.
Yep, roger that. Was all received very well.
Excellent.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over. That ends, please, over.
Yep, 144.9 and 153.9.
Roger, on that, how was the obliteration from the petrol station?
Yeah, it did go, but it's done better than most.
Yeah, I'm sure the 4 watts is in the right place. Well, that worked very well, so thank you for that. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over Rollsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 144.9 and 153.9.
Roger on that. How was the obliteration from the petrol station?
Yeah, it did go, but it's done better than most.
Yeah, I'm sure the 4 watts is in the right place. Well, that worked very well, so thank you for that. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Right, that did work well. So everybody I've heard on this prior has been breaking up. Oh, that one's all right. There we go. So I'm pleased with the result on that. So that's our set. So the next one we're going to do is we'll try and sort out the customer's receive problem by probing the voltages on our now working set. You know, when I bought this from a fellow radio ham, I took one look at it and I thought we're never going to be able to fix that. But with that bit of information, which I found and was able to talk to you about on the previous video, that's helped us put it back together. So go over to our base station and we'll see what the Plessey speech processing chip sounds like. As far as I'm concerned, they're the second to none speech processor. But there you are, built in on this.
Tango 21, testing the Mega Tracker CB1100 into our Midland 76900 base station. See what that speech processor from Plessey of military grade sounds like into our base station. So hopefully we'll be able to sort out the customer's one now, but there's no promises, are there, on the electronics. So we've also got some other repairs in, like the Midland 1165 from Alan, and one or two others. So thanks for watching this Mega Tracker CB1100 from 1983.